Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study about Bihar ancient history. Bihar ancient history will be covered in following part. First part will be source of Bihar ancient history, from where we are getting the knowledge of Bihar ancient history. Then ancient Bihar. Ancient Bihar will cover from Aryanization of Bihar to Magad dynasty. Then rise of Jainism and Buddhism. Jainism and Buddhism mostly flourished during this time. So rise of Jainism and Buddhism. Then very famous and very important for BPSC exam, Maurya Empire. Then after the fall of Maurya Empire, post Maurya dynasty, then very famous Gupta Empire. In this video, we are going to cover this part, ancient part. That means from Aryanization to Magad dynasty. So directly coming to ancient Bihar, first mention of Bihar or Magad is in later Vedic period. Later Vedic period literature, first mention of ancient Bihar, where Atharved was last Ved, Rig Ved, Yajurved, Samved and Atharved. So first mention was in Atharved and Panchvimsa Brahman, part of Samveda. So these two names is important. First mention of Bihar or Magad was in Atharved and Panchvimsa Brahmana. And this area people, according to these literature, were kept in low esteem due to ignorance of Vedic sacrifice. At that time, Aryans were mostly concentrated in Punjab, Haryana region, and at that time Magad people were kept in low esteem due to ignorance of Vedic sacrifice. Vedic sacrifice was not very prevalent in this area. That's why they were kept in low esteem. Okay, and that time Magad territory was known as Kikata. This region was known as Kikata region, and people of here were known as Vratyas. Okay, that time Kikata and people were known as Vratyas living in Kikata. And Aryanization happened. Aryanization happened due to use of iron, because with the use of iron, clearing forest became very easy. So how Aryanization of Bihar happened from Punjab, Haryana to Bihar? Due to use of iron, because with the use of iron, clearing forest became easy. Now at that time, territorial division at that time, this is the story of 6th century BC. Okay, at that time there were mainly four main region of Bihar. Okay, four region according to their location. If this is Bihar, then there is Ang region, Bhagalpur, Munger region, then Magad region, Patna and Gaya region. Then after Ganga, here is Waji or Vaisali region. Then there is Mithila region. Okay, these four were Janpad. Later then these three became Mahajanpad. There were total 16 Mahajanpad, and there were 3 Mahajanpad was in Bihar. Okay, whether he merged in Vaisali or Waji. It later merged in Waji, Vaisali, and these 3 became Mahajanpads. So first we are going to see all 4 who were the main kings and what happened with them. So we are going to start with Videha Mithila. Okay, Videha Mithila, founder of this region was Ikshvaku son Nimi Videha. We are talking about Mahabharata time. Okay, and their successor, Mithi Janak founded Mithila. That's why this region is also known as Mithila region. And from this region there were Lord Sita, Mata Sita, and she married to Lord Ram. And what happened to Mithila? Ultimately it merged with Vaji Republic. This merged with Vaji and it became Mahajanpad. Now there are 3 Mahajanpad, Magad, Ang and this region, Vaji. Okay. Next we are going to see Vaji or also known as Vaisali region. Vaji, what is the most famous thing about Vaji? There was Sangh form of government. Sangh form of government means there were democracy kind of thing. Like there were different clan and they all sit in a Sangh form to take all the decision. This is very important. Sangh form of government was in Vaji, Vaisali region. Then very famous Ang region, first king Titikchu and last very famous Lord Karna, who died in Bharatwar, and capital of it was Champa. Okay, these are all Mahabharata times. Okay, Magad region is very important. We are going to only focus on Magad region because Magad region starts political history of Bihar and India. Magad region starts political history of Bihar and India. That's why we are going to focus on Magad region. Okay, Magad region starts political history of Bihar and India. Now first look at Mahajanpad. There were 16 Mahajanpad. Here is Magad. Why this image is important? Because Magad later became very powerful. First it captured Ang, then it captured Kosala, then it captured Avanti. Okay, which king captured which region? This is very important. We are going to focus on Magad dynasty, also known as rise of Magad. It starts political history of Bihar or India. So first dynasty was Brihadrath dynasty, as per the name of founder Brihadrath, and most famous king of it was Jarasangh. Jarasangh captured all these region, Vanga, Ranga and Kalinga region. Okay, there is only this important. Real political history of Magad dynasty starts from Haryanka dynasty. First dynasty was Brihadrath dynasty. First king Brihadrath, then Jarasangh, and last king of Brihadrath dynasty was Ripunjaya. But real political history of Magad dynasty starts with Haryanka dynasty. So keep focused. Haryanka dynasty. First king of it was Bimbisar, then Ajatasattu. Now we are going to focus on Bimbisar, and how we are going to cover all the king and everything in following region: polity, administration, society and culture, and economy. Whole history will be covered in following subparts. First polity, then how administration happened, then what was the condition of society, what was the condition of art and culture, and economy, how economy happened. Okay, Haryanka dynasty, Bimbisar is also known as real founder of Magad dynasty, Bimbisar. Okay, Bimbisar was nicknamed Senia or Srenik as per Jain text. Senia or Srenik means one having a very large standing army. He had a very large army. That's why he was also nicknamed Senia and Srenik. Very important for prelims exams. Now we are going to see polity. How polity happened in Bimbisar time. So Bimbisar won Ang Pradesh. Bimbisar won Ang, and he made his son Ajatasattu the king of Ang region. Ajatasattu was the son, and he was made ruler by Bimbisar. Okay, so what is very important of Bimbisar? Bimbisar won Ang region, and he was very famous for his matrimonial alliance, and with the help of this he increased his territory. Very important political decisions, matrimonial alliance. In this, what happened? King married the other king's daughter or their relatives. And Bimbisar matrimonial alliance was: first he married Kosala Devi. Kosala Devi was sister of Kosala king Prasenjit. Kosala Mahajanpad, capital was Sravasti. And with this marriage he got Kasi as dowry. Dahej mein Kasi inko mila. So very important political decision. He married Kosala Devi, sister of Kosala king Prasenjit. Then he married Chelana. Chelana was Lichvi clan of Vaisali or Vaji Republic. Okay, and Ajatasattu was the son of Chelana, and he also married Chema, daughter of king of Madra, central Punjab. So matrimonial alliance, he very much focused on matrimonial alliance. Then he also sent envoys, one to Taxila. Then very famous doctor Jivaka was in his cabinet or in his ministry, and he sent Jivaka to famous doctor to Avanti king. He sent Jivaka to Avanti king when he was ill. Avanti, capital of Avanti Mahajanpad was in Ujjain. So this is the story. Here is Magad. First Anga will be captured, then Vaji or Vaisali will be captured, and ultimately Avanti will be captured. Bimbisar captured Ang. Okay, and administration. How administration happened? He made the Rajgir capital. Capital of Bimbisar was Rajgir. Okay, efficient administration machinery. He Rajbhat or Mahamataj, royal officer at that time was known as Mahamataj. Okay, and he divided it into many classes. There was grading system into Mahamataj. Society, art and culture, economy, only thing. He was older contemporary of both Mahavir and Buddha. Older contemporary means he was old when both were active. He was older and he died during that time. Okay, Ajatasattu was the real contemporary of Mahavir and Buddha. But Mahavir and Buddha was also active during Bimbisar time, but he was old. Bimbisar was old at that time. That's why older contemporary of both Mahavir and Buddha. Both made Magad their activity center. Mahavir and Buddha both made Magad their activity center. No surety about his religion. There is no surety ki which religion was followed by Bimbisar. Some says he followed Jain religion, some said he followed Buddhism. And most famous, he gifted Buddha a Venuvan. Venuvan means bamboo garden in Rajgir. Capital of Bimbisar was Rajgir, and he gifted Buddha a Venuvan, bamboo garden to Buddha. Then Ajat Satru happened. There is famous story कि he captured his father and he died with hunger. Some say he died with poison. Bimbisar died with poison or Bimbisar died with hunger. There is no clarity. But the king name is clear, Ajat Satru. First Bimbisar, then Ajat Satru. Polity. He won Vaisali. Father won Ang and Ajat Satru won Vaisali by Buddha's help. Buddha told him कि Vaji Republic can only be won because there is very much unity. So first you have to hinder their unity. So Ajatsatru won Vaji by Buddha's help. For this purpose, he constructed a fort near Patli on Ganga bank. And he also did matrimonial alliance. What happened? After the death of Bimbisar, Ajatsatru mother Kosala Devi also died with a shock. So, Prasenjit recaptured the dowry given to Bimbisar. That means he recaptured Kasi. So, there was fight between Ajatsatru and Prasenjit. So, to cool off all these things, he married Prasenjit's daughter. Ajatsatru married Prasenjit's daughter for peace purpose. Married Prasenjit's daughter since Prasenjit recaptured Kasi after sister Kosala Devi death. Administration, there is nothing. And society, art and culture, economy, first Buddhist council happened during Ajatsatru region. He was very big patron of both Buddhism and Jainism, and first Buddhist council happened in Satparni cave, Rajgir. Okay, then successor names, there is confusion who came after Ajatsatru, but one thing is common ki one was Udayin, and most famous thing is he transferred his capital from Rajgir to Patliputra. Asked in many prelims exam, who transferred capital from Rajgir to Patliputra for the first time? So king name was Udayin. Then after Haryanka dynasty came Sisunag dynasty, and it was named after the first king Sisunag. Polity of Sisunag won Avanti. So first Anga was won by Bimbisar, then his son won, Ajatsatru won Vaji Republic, then Sisunag dynasty, Sisunag won Avanti. Okay, this is the most famous thing. Sisunag won Avanti, capital of Avanti Mahajanpad, Ujjain. Administration, and he shifted his capital to Vaisali. Okay. Then society, art and culture, economy, nothing. Then second famous king Kalasok. He was killed by ultimately Mahapadmanand of Nanda dynasty. Administration, he shifted his capital to Patliputra permanently. Kalasok shifted his capital to Patliputra permanently. And second Buddhist council happened in his region, in his capital Vaisali. Not in his capital, capital of him was Patliputra. Second Buddhist council was happened during his reign, Kalasok, and it happened in Vaisali. Okay. After the fall of Sisunag dynasty came Nanda dynasty, very famous Nanda dynasty. Nanda dynasty king Mahapadmanand killed Kalasok with his dagger and polity. He was known as Ekarat, also known as sole sovereign, because he one who destroyed all his contemporaries. He destroyed all his all neighbor kings and killed Kshatriya in number. That's why he was known as Ekarat, sole sovereign. And he brought Jina image after Kalinga victory. Nothing about administration, society, art and culture, economy. And last famous king was Dhananand. And he was the contemporary of Alexander the Great. And he was known as Agrams, Jandrams, distorted Sanskrit names by Greeks, and it means Agrams means son of Ugrasen. Okay, and that's why he was known as Agrames. We have covered Magadha dynasty. Now quickly revising all the things. First dynasty was Brihadrat dynasty. Brihadrat dynasty founded by Brihadrat, and most famous king was Jarasandha. And after that, Haryanka dynasty. Haryanka dynasty first king was Bimbisar. Bimbisar is also known as the real founder of Magadha dynasty. Okay, Brihadrat dynasty, then Haryanka dynasty, Bimbisar, real founder of Magadha, then Ajatasattu, and Bimbisar won Ang. Ajatasattu won Vaji Republic. Then after the fall of Haryanka dynasty, Sisunag dynasty came. Sisunag won Avanti. Okay, and capital, focus on capital. First, Udayin transferred his capital from Rajgir to Patliputra. Sisunag capital was Vaisali. Kalasok. After Sisunag, Kalasok came, and Kalasok permanently shifted his capital to Patliputra, and second Buddhist council happened in his reign. Then Nanda dynasty. Mahapadmanand, and last ruler was Dhananand. Dhananand was defeated by Chandragupta Maurya with the help of Kautilya, and Dhananand was Alexander contemporary and also known as Agrames or Jandrams. Okay, so this is covered. Brihadrat dynasty, Haryanka dynasty, then Sisunag dynasty, then Nanda dynasty. After the fall of Nanda dynasty, Maurya dynasty will come. After Maurya dynasty, post Maurya. Then after post Maurya, Gupta, and it will cover the ancient history. And region of Magadha dynasty success was able rural. Matlab kings were very good. Kings were very good and able to rule. Strategic location of Magadha. Magadha location was very strategic. Magadha capital, first capital Rajgir. Rajgir was surrounded by mountains, hard to attack. Then Patliputra, very hard to attack because surrounded by river, and also due to surrounded by river, it was very easy to do business. Okay, and also there were very fertile land and mineral resource. Mineral resource means abundance of abundance of iron to make to use in making of weapon or in agriculture. So these are the reasons of Magadha success. Able rural, then strategic location of Magadha and its capital, then land was very fertile and mineral resource, especially iron, was very much abundant, and some one-liners for prelims. It will also again revise the whole Aryanization of Bihar and Magadha dynasty. First mention of Magadha were Atharvaved and Panchvimasa Brahman. Then real founder of Magadha dynasty, Bimbisar, is known as real founder of Magadha dynasty. Who won Anga? Bimbisar. Who gifted Venu one to Bhagwan Buddha? Bimbisar. Who conquered Vaji Mahajanpad? Ajatasattu, son of Bimbisar, won Vaji Mahajanpad with the help of Lord Buddha. During whom reign first Buddhist council happened? Ajatasattu. Who shifted his capital to Patliputra from Rajgir? So Udayin was last king of which dynasty? Bimbisar. Haryanka dynasty. Haryanka dynasty, Udayan shifted his capital to Patliputra from Rajgir. Who conquered Avantika? First king of Sisunag dynasty. Sisunag conquered Avanti, ruled by Pradyots. Who shifted his capital to Patliputra permanently? Kalasok. Magadha king, also known as Agrames, Dhananand. Dhananand was last king of Nanda dynasty. Nanda dynasty fell after win by Chandragupta Maurya. Then Maurya dynasty started. Magadha king known as Senya or Srenik Bimbisar, because Bimbisar had a very large standing army. So this part is covered. Ancient Bihar, ancient from Aryanization to Magadha dynasty. Whole history will be covered in source. Then ancient Bihar, rise of Jainism and Buddhism, then Maurya Empire, then post Maurya dynasty, then Gupta Empire. This part, ancient Bihar from Aryanization to Magadha dynasty, is covered in this video. We will cover rest part in next video. That's all. We will meet in next video. Thanks. Bye bye and take care.